Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving a LeetCode problem number 2124. Check if all A appears before all B's. This is very important and beginner friendly string based on observation. So let's start with this problem statement first. We are given a string containing only two characters A and B. Our task is to determine whether all A and character appears before all the B characters. Suppose S is equals to A and B. All the A comes before the B, so the answer is true. Now the condition is S is equals to A B. Here A appears after B, so it's become the answer false. Important observation is we should never see an A again after the B. So the condition will be failed. The approach is very simple. We have to travel once the array. Now we will track all the B's already which I have seen. So return false immediately. And otherwise the condition, if the loop is completed, return the true. Let's move through the code. So this is the running code for this problem statement. So first we found B is equals to false. These variables tell us whether we have already encountered A or B. So now travel every element of the string. If the current character is B, set found B is to be true. Now if the character is found B is already true. That means an appearance after A and B, so it's return false immediately. If we finish the loop without finding such a case, then return false. so so the time complexity is O into n and the place complexity is O into 1. The time complexity is O into n because we travel whole string at the once, and the place complexity is O into 1 because we use one variable only. So that was the solution for LeetCode 2124. Check if all A appears after the B. This is very beginner friendly problem for improving observation skill